What's up, beautiful people? I want to talk to you about, drumroll, why some people who are doing carnivore or keto carnivore more like have their blood sugar spike. So the same thing that I do with the standard keto with vegetables, I do the deep dive trying to understand all the hiccups. And some of the hiccups on a carnivore diet have to do with high blood sugar. Now I know this because I run a keto course page where I have large groups of people doing all three. Carb still, keto, and keto carnivore. And today was a discussion on why is my blood sugar so high. So we had to deconstruct each, it's two women in particular. Now both of them, I started to ask, have you been checking your blood sugar around the 14th day near ovulation? And bingo. That was playing a huge role in why the blood sugar was going over 100 people. So the other things that you might want to consider while doing a keto omnivore or carnivore, but really I'm stressing keto carnivore, is to really track your blood sugar because you're still trying to drive ketosis, which still makes me the keto queen. That's right. With that said, you really want to track that blood sugar. And you want to test each morning, fasted, straight out of bed, on an empty stomach, for 4 weeks, every day. Then, once a week, you want to test your blood sugar 2 hours after meals, all three. Yes, three, not two, not one fasting, no OMAD, no intermittent fasting, 3 meals. Okay? So the things that can spike your blood sugar, creating a block in your ketogenic journey into carnivore, is eating too much protein. Because people are hungry, right? Carbs gone, rice gone, beans gone, right? A lot of people who do carnivore are not doing really super fatty, not only fatty cuts of meat, but they're not adding a lot more extra fat on the plate. They're not driving ketosis, so what they do is they're freaking starving and they start to pound down 2 pounds of protein. You have all these experts saying you can't eat that much protein, and some saying you can eat as much as you need to, but the reality is that's a lot of work for them kidneys. And a lot of you who are doing carnivore are coming from the oxalate fracked up reality. You might have crystals in them kidneys, and then you pound that protein down, all of a sudden you get dark circles under your eyes and your kidneys start to hurt. You know, because people don't think about the hiccups on carnivore or on keto, standard, or on omnivore, veggies. You guys don't think about those types of things. So both dietary protocols are still very ketogenic, which is high fat, moderate to low protein on both. Keto with plants, keto without plants. That's all that it is. So it's not even carnivore, it's keto with plants, keto without plants, because still keto. You're trying to drive ketosis. You're still trying to get the brain to primarily use the ketones. You're still always going to use glucose through gluconeogenesis and for your red blood cells. And that is the reason why when you use a glucometer, you will notice that your blood sugar is not on 0 when you do either keto with plants or no plants. Keto carnivore. You're always going to produce glucose, and you have to be very careful when you use that glucometer, because if you guys are testing after 30 minutes, you're going to have a high blood sugar number and you're going to be freaking out. Now I gotta go. Hope this helps you guys. If you want to learn more, go to stephanieperson.com. I do consultations. I've been doing them for years. People are like, oh my God, I just found you. And I was like, wow, I'm the dinosaur of the group of all this kind of stuff. And it's because I'm having a Johnny Carson background. Maybe I need to upgrade and not be in the 70s anymore. I know I'm in my 50s, but what? Still got it going on. I still got the business, right? I've been in this whole game for almost 12 years. No refeeding on carbs. Yeah, used to be a pro skateboarder. I run a keto course page. So fabulous. Stephanie, no, yes, stephanieperson.com. Hello, do I know my stuff? Dinosaur. And then I have free info here on my Facebook fan page, which is Stephanie, as you said, the business. And also, I have free information on my Instagram at Stephanie Ketogenic.